So I have sold all my Chinese phones, and that's the Vivo X200 Pro Mini with the MTK 9400 and the Xiaomi 15, and now I'm back to the S24 Ultra, using it already since 1 week as my main driver, guys. It's on One UI 7 battery, Android 15, and I have a few things to say. Now, first things first, yes, it might be a bit better and might be a bit smoother, but the stutter and the lags are still there, which means the consistency still seems to be the same. And why do I say this? Because one moment it works nice, the other moment you just boom, do something and then it lags, and this drives me crazy. But the other thing that really drives me crazy is the fact that the battery life is just very bad. This is also not the full list with the bad news, guys. I pretty much have the same pattern every day, go to the same places, and I noticed that when I'm going shopping, for example, inside, like the mall and the supermarket, my cell reception is very bad with the One UI 7 battery, and I just hope that the stable version will address those things. But right now my hopes with One UI 7 and the S24 Ultra aren't that high, so I kind of wonder what Samsung are going to do with the S25 Ultra, because that's technically the same phone but just with Snapdragon 8 Elite, right? So let's see. I wanted to share this with you and ask you down below in the comments, guys, if you're using the One UI 7 battery, is this the same for you? Because for me that's really freaking annoying. Bad battery life, bad cell reception, and overall, if you use this phone for like 30 minutes non-stop, it will eventually lag and stutter. And coming from HyperOS version 2 and also from the ColorOS, yeah, this kind of feels bad, right? Yeah, let me know what you think about it in the comments, guys. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.